Hi, this is Todd Caraway with Gray Swan Software. I've got another little video I wanted to share with you here today about a new feature that we have inside the Amber CIL Manager. If you look under the Attendants tab, we've now added a sub-tab here where you can now record notes for each individual attendant. This is a free-form notes area. You can put whatever you want in here as long as it's text. And if you notice down here at the bottom, we have a D button down here. That will give you a date and time stamp when you click on it, as well as show the user that entered the notes. Now, these notes are permanent in here as long as the attendant is in Amber. They can be edited after the fact. And, we hope this helps you out in keeping track of your attendant information. Stay tuned for lots more videos and lots more new features on the way from Gray Swan Software. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.